Hello everyone, welcome to our course on social media analytics, making connections. Today we are going to see about a hands-on on network intelligence. I am T. Shiva from Department of Computer Science and Business Systems at the Araja College of Engineering. In today's lecture, we will dive into how network structures reveal influences, communities, and how marketers can harness those insights. Let's get started. This is the progress of our course. In previous video, we have explored about the network growth and evolution. If you have not watched that video, kindly complete that video before proceeding with this one. In this video, we will explore the contents like network intelligence, tools for network analysis, network demo, and insights. Hands-on network intelligence. There are various tools available for network intelligence. They are GIPI, Keystoscope, Python Network X. What is network intelligence first? Network intelligence is about understanding the web of connections, who interacts with whom, and how information flows, and where influence lies. In the marketing world, network intelligence allows us to identify key influencers, detect communities or clusters of interest, understand engagement patterns, and design campaigns that leverage those connections. Essentially, when we analyze relationship between people, pages, brands, or communities, we are doing network intelligence. Why networks matter in marketing? In traditional marketing, we often thought in terms of broadcast, one brand to many. But today, marketing is connection driven. Networks helps us find influencers who can amplify our message, map customer communities that behave similarity, recognize brand advocates, micro groups that can be leveraged, understand how information spreads, which is key for viral campaign or word of mouth. When we know how community is structured, we can make marketing more strategic and efficiently. Tools for network analysis. Let's look at the three popular tools. GIPI, a visual interactive platform to run centralized metrics, apply layouts, and explore clusters. Keystoscope, plugin based advanced styling useful for publication quality network visuals. Python Network X, a programmatic library ideal for automation, custom workflow, and deeper analytics. Typical workflow. A common workflow for social network analysis: collecting data, build an edge list, load into tools like GIPI, Keystoscope, or Network X, compute metrics such as degree, betweenness, closeness, visualize the network for cluster and structure, interpret insights for marketing strategy. Mini social network demo. Example notes. Consider the example we have chosen as A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And the edges are A to B, A to C, B to D, C to E, E to F, F to G, and D to H. Even this small network allows us to detect influencers, bridges, and bottlenecks. Demo in GIPI. Import edge list. Apply force atlas 2 layout. Compute degree and betweenness. Identify hubs and clusters. A, E, and F may appear central. D and E may act as bridge between those nodes. Demo in Keystoscope. Load network, use network analyzer style clusters, highlight bridging nodes, and create publication ready visuals. These are the steps to be followed in Keystoscope. Demo in Python Network X. So here the programmatically computes metrics using degree centrality and betweenness centrality. High degree nodes indicate influencers. High betweenness nodes reveal bridges. Marketing insights. Influencers, they seed campaigns. Bridges enables cross community spreads. A cluster based content targets message. Turning insights into impact. Network intelligence helps in optimizing spread, improving target, and understanding audience structure. So finally, we have seen various topics such as network intelligence, how network intelligence reveals the structure behind the social interactions, GP, Keystoscope, and Network X make network analysis accessible. Marketers can use network insights. Even small networks can provide deep insights. So we have come to the end of this module, social media web analytics, making connections. So thank you for joining this session. In our next session, we will explore various topics further. Thank you. Happy learning.